No, estamos hablando con la señora. Ese vale 3.
No, you take for that big old cushion over there.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, what about that?
You know what? I bought that from.
Oh, that's a
King.
10 or is
Yeah.
that a can be, yeah.
You know what? I paid $40 for it. They're $50 at Walmart.
Wow.
Yeah, look at it.
That rubber, that big rubber mat, is that
Go,
broke
go.
down?
Ese y el cuadrito. Eran 4.
Yeah, dude, he buys all the fucking Beethoven and shit, dude.
This one, yeah, take a look,
Mozart.
dude. That's a nice mat right there. Did you see the other one over here, the motorcycle one?
That's fine.
Power wash that. ¿Cuánto el martillo? ¿Cuál? 20. 20.
$1 on the dove. $1. Oh, sorry, Mom.
The hell with the game, Jerry. I left that behind my phone. Damn it.
What?
I bagged it. I was busy here talking.
Did you cook that nugget already or no?
Yeah.
Is it good? It's good. I got some good shit at home. Maybe I'll bring you
$1? No. $2.
Huh? Dijiste 5 por
Yeah.
Give me that money.
Yeah, what's up, everybody? I just stopped at this shop once again. I came last week or last weekend, and they beat me to them. He said that there's a guy that comes in and he just buys everything. But yeah, I picked up. Let me see. Got quite a few castings right here that I've already picked. Take a look at this one. This is a custom Ford Bronco. Let me just set him right here real quick. Got a custom Ford Bronco. Got myself a Skyline. And take a look at this. This is a Plymouth PC sedan, police matchbox. Let's see what else, man. Got me a Tesla Model S. Tesla Model S. Temples on the front and the back with a coffee spill. Very nice. And take a look, man. This is what I came for. JDM stuff. Nissan 180 SX Type X. And take a look. This one I had, but I opened it and we gave it to my son. 70 Datsun 510 Rally orange. The one you see most of the time right now, it's the blue one. But I had never seen this one from when we bought last one. And a custom 01 Acura Integra. Yeah. So most of these are I'm just gonna bust them open and put them on my 50th display, cause yeah, I don't like them being boxed. And oh, I guess I grab a second Bronco. Oh, it's a Samac. I didn't even know. Cool. Take a look. This is the Volkswagen Caddy in orange. Also, this is gonna be my second 2000 GTX, the Skyline. Very nice. I had seen it, but I hadn't bought a double, and now I got a double. And this one is the Viper GTSR from the race team. Very cool. And an additional one, which is the 4F150. But anyways, I'm gonna keep hunting, so stay tuned. Let's see what else we find.